So, you have bought the car of your dreams. You saved every extra buck from your hard-earned money to meet your goals and researched the car market thoroughly to ensure that you are investing in the best possible four-wheeler for you and your family. But, what about maintaining your car and ensuring that you protect it against any untoward harm in the future? In this video, we will discuss 5 reasons for comprehensive car insurance. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Why do you need car insurance? You know that your four-wheeler needs to be maintained and upkeep. Cars are expensive machines. It doesn't matter if you get a small dent in your car's boot or are involved in an accident on the highway, or even theft. Protecting your property and yourself against any untoward damage is vital. Every car that drives on the roads every day is vulnerable to many threats. You will need to spend a reasonable amount on your car's safety and recovery. It doesn't matter if you're a new owner of a car or if you are looking for auto insurance. You need to know why comprehensive car insurance is so important and the benefits. What are the benefits of comprehensive car insurance? Comprehensive car insurance offers you the most comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive car insurance covers all risks associated with your car, passengers, car and any valuables inside. It also covers any damage to third-party vehicles and passengers. Comprehensive car insurance also covers you against financial loss in the event of unforeseen events, such as fire, weather damage, theft, and fire. Number 1. Coverage of damage to your own vehicle. Whether your car has been in an accident, been a victim to theft, facing technical glitches or suffered a natural calamity, comprehensive car insurance can cover the financial losses arising due to a variety of reasons. Number 2. A cover for any bodily injuries or loss of life. As we have established before, cars are susceptible to accidents, and sometimes these turn into tragedies that don't just cause harm to your property but also your life. Should an accident in your car leave you permanently disabled or cause your untimely demise, a good comprehensive car insurance plan will offer suitable compensation. Number 3. Protection against third-party liabilities. If your car has been in an accident that has caused any damage to someone else's vehicle, you are liable to pay for any damages caused and bear the expenses that arise from it. Comprehensive car insurance takes care of these expenses so you don't have to pay out of your pocket. Number 4. It covers more than just accidents. Sure, a much cheaper collision insurance or driver's liability insurance could have you covered in case of a shattered windshield during an accident. But, what if the windshield of your very expensive car is shattered due to hail or a rolling boulder from an earthquake? Comprehensive coverage will protect your car from any and all unforeseen damages, even when they are not caused by a third party. Number 5. A complete comprehensive cover. Every single accident is unique. Most comprehensive car insurances will not just protect your car from motor accidents, but also offer coverage for a variety of other reasons. Examples of such damages are fire, flood, collision with animals, vandalism, windstorms, earthquakes, damages from falling and flying objects, as well as personal baggage theft. As you can see, comprehensive car insurance with optional, diversified coverage is better than state-mandated third-party liability insurance. It provides additional protection against accidents and vehicular damage not only caused by motor collisions. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.